Hello guys, I'm Vishali Kikan from Dopamine and we are discussing digital circuits. Today in this video we are going to talk about code converters, specifically 4-bit binary to BCD code converter. So I hope you remember what is 4-bit binary number and 4-bit BCD number. So if you don't know these two numbers, you are required to first go to the previous videos, watch them first and then come to this video. Further, the code converter video is really important. If you haven't seen that before this video, you can watch that too and then you can come to this video. So let's start our discussion with the 4-bit binary to BCD converter. Now, first of all, we'll be talking about procedure to design the code converters. So we'll be talking about 3 steps for designing the code converter. So first of all, as I said, you should be aware about the binary number system and the BCD number system. So because we have to convert the 4-bit binary to BCD, so in the 4-bit binary, we are moving from 0 up to decimal number 15. But in BCD, we have the representation from 0 up to 9 only. So that is again becomes a tricky part and we'll understand how to deal with it in this video. So the step 1 is write the truth table and show the relationship between the input code and the output code. This step you have to do in all of the code conversion. So if any code from any code have to be converted, first of all, write about their truth table. So write the full truth table of the input code and the output code you have to achieve. Right, the input code you are giving and the output code you have to achieve. So then the step 2, you have the output code. So for each of the output code bit, you have to determine the simplified Boolean expression and that too using K-map. Now if you don't know the K-map, go back, watch the video on the K-map and then come to this video. In the step 3, you have to realize the code converter using the logic gates. So we'll be discussing all the 3 steps in detail. So let's start with the first step. So first of all, we have to make the truth table containing the input code and the output code. So here the input code is a binary code. As I said, the binary code is moving from 0 decimal to 15 decimal number, right, in the 4-bit, because we are dealing with 4-bit. So maximum binary code of 4-bit goes up to 1111 from lowest to from 0000. 0000 represents the decimal number 0 and 1111 represents the decimal number 15. So basically from 0 to 15 we have the binary code. But if you see the BCD code, it is ranging from 0 to 1001, which is 9 number, and then we require the 5th digit. So in the BCD code you have D42 with D0, D1, D2, D3. So you have in the output code 5 bits rather than 4 bits in the input. So if you have 4-bit binary, you will be getting corresponding 5-bit BCD. So let's write all of the binary code. So 0 is represented with 0000, 1 is 0001, 2 is 0010, 3 is 0011, 4 is 0100, 5 is 0101, 6 is 0110, 7 is 0111, 8 is 1000, 9 is 1001, 10 is 1010, 11 is, so from this 10 the representation change. So if you see the BCD code from 0 to 9, it is same, right? So till 1001 it is same, and D4 in all of these cases we have taken to be 0. Now what happens in the BCD code? Then we have 1 and then we start again from 0000, right? So here the 1010 is represented as 4 zeros in the BCD. So if you have binary 10 number which is 1010, it is represented in BCD as 10000, right? Similarly 111011 is represented as 10001. So you require 5 bits to represent the BCD code corresponding to 4 bits of the binary code. So now for each of the output bits, so like for D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, we are going to make the K-map. So I hope you remember how to make the K-map. Because we have 4 inputs, we are going to make 4 cross 4 K map, right? So here in the row you can see B1, B0. So B1, B0 is varying from 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. In this rows you can see B3, B2, so which is again varying from 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So if you see for D0, so if you see D0 here, it is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 and so on. So first bit is put here in the first cell. So you put 0 here, then 1. Then the next bit is put here. So you put 0 here. So 0, 1, 0, then 1. So then 0, 1, 0, 1. Then here 0, 1, 0, 1. So we can make this kind of K map, and here we have to do the clubbing. So you can see here we have made an octet. So for that we got the simplification. D0 is directly equal to B0. Same we are going to make for D1. So you can see D1 is 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, then 4, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. So we are going to make 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, then 4 zeros, then 1, 1, then 0, 0. So now you have to make the grouping. So here you can directly see this is a quad and this is a pair. So this pair is represented as B3, B2, B1 bar, and this quad here it is represented as B3 bar, B1. So this is how you get the simplification for D1. Now similarly you are going to put D2, D3 and D4 from this BCD code table into this K map. So now again you are going to do the simplification. Here you can see you are getting this quad and this quad. So you are getting two quads, and for that D2 becomes B3 bar B2 plus B2 B1. Similarly for this was for D2. Similarly you will be simplifying for D3 as well. So for D3 you have only two ones. You can see here also. D3 you have only two ones, right? You are going to put all these. Then you will be having for two ones, you will be making a pair B3, B2 bar, B1 bar is a simplification for D3. Now here for D4, you have put all of the ones. So then here you are getting a quad, and here also you are getting a quad. So D4 represent B3, B2 plus B3, B1. So we got the simplification of all the output bits with respect to the input bits. So input bits were B0, B1, B2, B3. And output bits are D0, D1, D2, D3, D4. So output bits are 5, input bits are 4. We have got the relationship of all of the 4 output bits with respect to the input bits. So right, we got all of them. Now what is the procedure? So what we have to do now? We have to convert this with the help of the logic gates into a realistic circuit. So what we are going to do, we are going to take B0, B1, B2, B3 which are our inputs, and we are going to supply them to the NOT gate, because here if you see the simplified representation, we are having B1 bar, B3 bar, B3 bar. So we are having the NOT of the gates also. So here we are supplying the B0, here we are supplying the B0 bar, B1, B1 bar, B2, B2 bar. So B3, B3 bar. So you can see D0 is directly equal to B0. D0 was directly equal to B0. So from B0 we directly connected to the output pin D0. Then what is D1? B3, B2, B1 bar. So we took B3, we took B2, we took B1 bar. So we took B1 bar. From here we'll be making this connection, not here. So we took all of them, we connected them in the AND gate. So we will be getting B3, B2, B1 bar here, right? And in the next AND gate we'll be getting B3 bar, B1. So you can see here we have connected through B3 bar, and here we have connected to B1. So here I am getting B3 bar, B1. So we are putting all these things, both of these things to the OR gate, so that D1 will become B3, B2, B1 bar plus B3 bar, B1. D0 was equal to B0, right? Then we have D2. So if you check D2, it is B3 bar B2 plus B2 B1. So here you can check it is B3 bar B2. So B3 bar B2. Going to the AND gate, so they are multiplied. Then to the OR gate, so we will be adding some things. What are we adding? B2 and here B1. So B2, B1 we are adding. So similarly, we can make for D3 and D4 also. So D3 here represents B3, B2 bar, B1 bar. Right, so you can check B3, B2 bar, B1 bar and D4 as B3, B2 plus B3, B1. So B3 here, B2 plus B3, B1. So B3, B2 are going to the AND gate, B3, B1 are going to the AND gate and then OR gate. So B3, B2 plus B3, B1. So that's how you can realize the code converter using the basic logic gates also, AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. So you have just used these three and the input bits of B3, B2, B1, B0 of the binary code, and then you have got the BCD code D0, D1, D2, D3, D4. So just remember, input was 4-bit but output now is 5-bit. So I hope you understood all of the things that I have discussed in this slide. If you face any difficulty, please ask me with the help of comment box. So meet me soon in the next class where we'll be discussing the next type of code converter. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.